Hey everybody, I am Nikki from Doug and Nikki, and as you all know, we have a house to fill, and one of those things is the kitchen that needs a lot of products. And I'm going to be doing lots of baking, and I need a large measuring bowl or measuring cup. Looks like a bowl because it's so big. So I found this one by Anchor Hocking, and it is the 4 cup, as you can see. Nicely marked. You can see 4, 3, 2, and then in between you have smaller markings, which is great because I always like to see those. You also have ounces because sometimes we want to use cups, but sometimes, some things call for ounces. And then on the other side, you also have the liters.
For the Canadians in the family.
Exactly. So you have liters, which is great. You have those options because depending on where the recipe comes from, it might say liters, it might say ounces, it might say cups. This is going to be great. You can put it in the dishwasher, wash it by hand, wash it what you want. It is nice and solid, which I'm going to love. I think you can pretty much see what it looks like. It's a 32 ounce, 1 liter. I go by cups, so it's perfect for me, and I hope this review has been helpful so that you know what it looks like and what you can expect.